Sup guys, let's do this. What is up you guys, Claudio back again with another game of Will You Press the Button? I play this game every week, with a few exceptions. Sometimes I miss, but normally I play it every week. I try to play it every week anyway. I think this game is pretty cool, it's fun, I enjoy doing it, and as long as I enjoy doing it, I will keep on doing it. So now, let's just get right into it with the first dilemma. Alright, you have the ability to turn invisible, but only in complete darkness. Yeah, that's kind of fucking... but still... Why would I... Yeah, you see, I was thinking in complete darkness. It's very sneaky of me. But then again, just because I have the ability to turn invisible doesn't mean I have the ability to see in the dark. So why would that matter? No, I will not. It's fucking weird. So fuck it. Yeah, I will not. Alright. Moving on to the next one. You can run or walk on water, but you have to be nude every time you use this ability. Hell yeah. I'll be doing that, I don't care, I don't give a fuck. Being nude, so I can run on water. That, you know how awesome that is? That takes away the focus from other parts. Moving on. Alright, you can enter or leave any video game, but all the NPCs will attempt to kill you. You see, here I have a problem. Somebody's trying to kill me, number one. Number two, I don't know what an NPC is. What is an NPC? Leave your comments down below, let me know what an NPC is. I guess like player or something? I don't know, fuck it. I will not. Moving on. You'll get any book you want for free instantly. Okay, cool. But one random chapter in each book will be missing and you won't be able to... Oh no. That's like the worst. I mean, I haven't had that happen to me, but I have this habit. You know, when I read, it's like I can't... It's like I can't stop. This usually happens during summers when I have vacation. I am away somewhere, say I don't know, I travel somewhere, like say, let's say I go to Spain or something, like, and I sit at the beach and I bring a book. I can't stop reading the book. I can't do anything until I'm done reading what I'm reading, basically. So this would be really hard to no. I love reading, it's cool to read. And 34 people pressed the button, well 66 did not, so okay, cool. Woo! You will publish the great American novel loved by millions. What? You will publish the great American novel loved by millions. Okay, fuck it. But you will spend a lifetime suffering from mental illness and die of an overdose at 42. Yeah, that sounds like a good deal. Not. I will not. 29% pressed the button while 71 did not, and I can understand why. Moving on to the next one. You will find your true love, but you can't ever have your favorite food again. You can't ever have your favorite food again. Alright, so I will find my true love. Who says I haven't already, by the way? But still, you can't ever have your favorite food again. So yeah, since I don't know what again is, I will press the button. Yeah. And 72% pressed the button. Well, 28 did not, because I guess they don't know what again is. Whew. You will always be happy. I am happy for the most part, but the love of your life will always be sad. What? Why? Why would you? This is so weird. No, that would fucking suck. So no, I will not. 28% pressed the button while 72 did not, and I can understand why they didn't. So moving on to the next one. You become 3 times more intelligent, but you can never be rich. Pressing that button. You know, there comes a time when you grow old enough, when you start looking at things for what they are, you know? You start to kind of understand that money is important, for sure, it is. But it ain't worth nothing if you're not doing what you love. So those two are connected. Also, I mean, by being 3 times more intelligent, I can do stuff that will go beyond and way beyond being rich. Here it states that you can never be rich. But if I'm 3 times more intelligent than the average person, because I guess like I have like an average intelligence, I guess. I don't know. Even at my current state, I would give the ideas to somebody else, have them patent them for me, and make sure that I live a good life anyway, even though I'm not rich. My significant other is. So I would be alright now, wouldn't I? So I mean, stuff like that. I think you have to value life, experience, passions, joy and stuff like that more than money. Otherwise you're just chasing nothing, you know. I don't know, fuck it, I'm not gonna babble on about that. But moving on to the next one. You will become the greatest vocalist to ever live. Yeah! But you will have HIV/AIDS and die of it. What, like Freddie Mercury from Queen, you mean? This shit already happened. So I don't know. What? No. I mean, I'd rather have him around. God damn it, he was a good singer. I remember the day when he died. I was very young. This was like in the early 90s, I think, something like that. He died, or late 80s. I'm not sure. I was little. Anyway, I remember my mom. She was in the kitchen of our house, or was it in the living room? I don't remember exactly. But my mom was crying, and I was like, "What happened? What happened?" You know, she was really sad. And then she told me that he died. She's, as you can understand, my mom is a huge Queen fan. She loves Queen. So yeah, my mom is really cool that way, I think. Anyway, moving on to the next one. Oh, by the way, I will not press the button because I don't wanna die of AIDS. All right, so I'm not gonna press it. Just a little, so you know. Moving on. President Kennedy does not get assassinated, but the Beatles never become popular. Fuck no. I'm sorry, President Kennedy. I'm sure you were a decent man and you did a lot of good things to the world, but come on, we're talking about the Beatles here. So President Kennedy does not get assassinated, but the Beatles never become popular. No, fuck no. I'd rather have it as it is, to be quite honest. I mean, unfortunately, John Lennon got assassinated as well back in the, like in the 80, 81 or something like that. So that's a sad fucking story. Also, who killed him? Tracy Chapman? No, what's it called? Charles Chapman? What was his name? Fuck that. Anyway, no, I will not. Rather have the Beatles, to be quite honest. So moving on. You get everything you want, but you have to give up all your hobbies. Here again with one of these. Fuck that. You get everything you want, but if I get everything I want and I have to give up my hobbies, then I won't have everything I want, because what I want is in direct correlation with what my hobbies are. Yeah, no, I will not press the button. Last one. You can speak every single language. Wow. This one hits home with me. Okay, cool. You can speak every single language, but the more you speak other languages, the more you forget your original language and the more painful it is to speak. Painful? How do you mean? How do you mean painful? Have to be a little bit more specific. But you can speak every single language. I would go with that because that would be so fucking cool to be able to communicate with people in their native tongue. That'd be so cool to do that. I mean, I'm doing it now, kind of, because English is not my native tongue. It's my fourth language or something. Third. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm doing it sort of with you guys, because this is like an international language type deal. But I mean, imagine if I would be able to speak like, I don't know, like Bosnian or Serbian or Russian, Chinese. Man, that'd be fucking awesome. That'd be really cool. I already know a few languages, but to be able to speak every single one would be fucking awesome. So yes, I will press the button. I'm just gonna go with it. Boom. And for the 3% of the people that pressed this button while 57 did not. Alright, guys, that's it for this round.
Thoughts?
Yes, guys, cool round of will you press the button? Some of these dilemmas were pretty cool. Interesting alternatives this time. What else can I say, man? I would love to be able to speak every single language, even though it becomes difficult to go back to your native tongue. But it'd be worth it, I think. So yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what your thought about this. Would you like to speak every single language out there, but it becomes more and more difficult to speak your own once you learn more? I know that's not the case with the brain, because the brain doesn't function that way. So this is kind of off, but anyway, what would you choose? Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, commenting and all that good stuff, and as always, hopefully I see you in the next video.